Hey, what's going on? Big Papa, KG, the old man on a little tiny Honda 750. What's up, YouTube? I'm here. Today's Sunday afternoon, and I just wanted to just do a little bit of, sorry for the wind noise. Just want to do a little bit of vlogging out here in Cambridge Heights, New York. Heading on to the Belt Parkway late in the evening. I guess it's about 3 o'clock. Trying to clean up my house. Oh man, I didn't feel like doing shit. But I did it anyway. I'll tell you, this highway has traffic. No matter whether it's day or night, morning, afternoon, it could be 11 o'clock. There's cars on this highway. I mean, I thought everybody's at church. What the freak? Oh, man. It's crazy. But anyway, Big Papa trying to really show you guys what New York is all about. Yeah. They say it's pretty. They say it's rushed. It's dirty. But at the same time, there is no better place. I'm serious. No better place. I mean, what other place can you go to? I'm talking about Manhattan. Where if you don't go for a couple of months, the freaking landscape changes. Building a new buildings, and not just a 2-story freaking building, like 100-story buildings. They knock down 5, put up 2, knock down 2, put up 5. I mean, I have never seen like construction anywhere else unless it's like Florida, where they have so much land and they're just continually building. But New York, it's tear down, put it back up, tear down, put it back up. I do not know. I mean, it's amazing. There is so much money in New York City. Wow. And I only get a small piece of it too. If I told you my salary, shoot. It's crazy. But anyway, it is one of the best places to live. I'm in a segregated part of New York right now. This is the hood. I think this is Laurelton. Yeah, this is the hood. A lot of immigration going on over here. A lot of Haitians, Jamaicans. Donald Trump would not want to be over here. Oh, whoa, hey. It's alright. Yep. Yeah, these guys, they are crazy. Even the drivers are crazy, but they're polite. They take it in stride. Do what you gotta do. Just make sure you can stay alive. Stay alive. I knew that guy was gonna be loud. I just kept going anyway, so I got embarrassed. But what the heck? I'm not gonna make a big deal over it, because I'm still alive. Big Papa, Kenny G. Oh man, the original gangster. Yeah, I just learned how to ride a bike last year. It's crazy. 53 years old, trying to learn how to ride a motorcycle. Nuts. So once I learned, I took that MSF class. I failed it the first time. It's crazy. But the second time, freak it. Bang! Zoom! To the moon. Got my license same day. Went to go to the, I went to a couple of dealers. Yeah, I think I got my license. It was about 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 o'clock. We passed the test. Then I got my Class M certification. And then went straight to the dealer. Two dealers. the power. Now I'm looking for a little bigger bike. You know, I like the Harleys, but you know, they just too much maintenance. The cost is so excessive. So I'm looking for another Honda, but like a Honda VTX 1300 or the Suzuki M109. I love that Suzuki. That Suzuki is an awesome bike. I mean, the shape of it, oh, that's awesome. And that fat wheel in the back, crazy. I mean, I just know exactly how I hook it up. I put some LEDs on there. Get the little windscreen. Jeez, man, come on, guys. Why? Come on. I mean, you guys are dangerous, man. Come on. I just want to ride. Y'all in my way. It's urban traffic. That's how I learned urban traffic, man. That's the best way to learn anyway. You got all these crazy cages. You got bikers who are crazy. Pedestrians crazy. It all works out, you know. And if you can manage yourself in that kind of environment, forget about it. You're gonna be a great rider, or at least, if not great, you'll be able to handle yourself not bad. See these immigrants, man? Them dudes are from Jamaica. You could tell. They're all over the place, man. I mean, there's nothing wrong with immigrants. But I'm an immigrant. My family's from Barbados. But I'm like, you know, like the Republicans. My family came here a long time ago, so we're good. It's the ones who are coming now where everybody has a problem with. You know, once you get here, hey, you one of us. And I'm not really one of us because, you know, oh, shoot. I'm a black dude, so I ain't really one of us, but hey, I'm close, you know? So like I was saying, New York is one of the best places. Come here, make a living. You'll make a lot of money. And even if you don't make a lot of money, you might make a lot of money compared to other places in the country. For instance, city employee, right? You can pull in, if you work hard, do your thing, you pull in about 140, 150. Take that money to Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina. Shoot, you'll be living like a king. You'll be chilling. You know, that money doesn't go too far in New York. But that's the point. Make the money here. Do a lot of saving. You can make this slide. Yep. Save some of that money. Retire. Go to another state. You're chilling. Your house probably is worth about $700,000-800,000. Man, $700,000-800,000 home price in another part of the country is awesome. New York, $700,000 buys you a regular house. You know, maybe a family room, but you know, 3 bedrooms, nice basement, nice neighborhood. That's about it. I take that money and put it into DeBarry, Florida. Shoot, I'll be living in a mansion. No joke. That's what it's all about, though. Living large, living good, living large, and having faith in the Lord. Yeah, this is KG, Big Papa, and I just wanted to say a few rambling thoughts, a little bit of crazy traffic here and there, and do my thing. I'm gonna head back on home now. Once I get out of this hood area, it's not so bad, but it's all right. Once I get out of here, and then I'll be checking you guys out. I'm gonna start doing this on a regular. So my videos are not going to be too entertaining. I'm just riding and talking. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not knocking on people's doors, checking out the girls in the street. No, that's not me, Jack. Like I said, I'm an OG. I'm old. 54. I don't even know how old I am. I'm born in 61. That means I am 54. Hot dog. I'm 54 years old. Chilling like an OG. Lives around here somewhere. That's a shame. Somewhere, right? No, she's on this block. No. I know. 200 Street. My bad. How could I forget that? This is 198. 200. I gotta go to 200, 2 more blocks. Here we go. 200. Here she go. No, she's not. Oh, yeah, I see her car. Oh, good. I say hello to her. Alright, man, I'm here at my sister's house. Whoops, got the cord shaking up. Wait, I forgot my phone. Need my phone. Oh, they got Halloween stuff up here. Nice beamer, it's old one, but it's cool. Let's see if she's home, see what's up. Hello?
Hello.
Hey!
Oh, God, you scared me.
Hey, so you say hello. I'm a burglar, right? Hello. Are you ready to go out?
Yeah, I'm going on my way.
Ooh, I smell fish. What you
What's
cooking?
up, fish? I had that a couple days ago.
Oh, a couple days ago? And I still can smell the fish? Dang, how's it going?
I'm good. Yeah.
You gonna buy me a gift or something?
Shoot, I just got mommy's birthday gift already.
Just now?
No. Like the middle of the week.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get some for myself.
Oh, alright.
You know, like boots and all that.
Oh, yeah? You got some money. You must have got a bonus.
Huh?
You must have got a bonus.
I wish.
Didn't you get your extra 2.5% increase in September? Right? Didn't the city get a little increase in September?
Yeah, it's like
2.5%.
Yeah.
So you're chilling. You're rolling. You're rolling into the money. Okay, take it easy. I just stopped by and say hello. I was on 198th Street and I said,
Yeah.
This is not the block. Yeah. That's 200th Street. What am I doing? I just stopped by. I'm going home.
Oh,
Yep. Just
so
chilling.
you were at the shop all day, huh?
I was at the laundromat in the morning.
Wow.
And then I left at 12.
Oh, okay, that's good.
So now I'm
That's
here.
good.
All right.
So everything's good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. He's cool. All right. Take it easy.
Take care of yourself.
All right now.
Oh, she got a belt too. This is cute. Oh, wow. This is never right. That's a Harley Davidson thing or something?
Nah, just I forgot what they call it. Little. Yeah. Motorcycle bells. Good luck, I guess.
I gotcha. Oh, gee, that's pretty neat.
Alright then.
Alright, take care of yourself, okay?
I know. Gotta go check out the sis. I know. What the? Yes, indeed. Yeah, this is not so bad. It's alright. Ooh, accident over there. Damn. What the heck? Yeah, I gotta get some pipes, man. Well, I'm getting a new bike. No, not brand new, used. And that Suzuki M109 or that Honda VTX. Shit, what? Baby. What's up? Oh, dude's gonna play a radio, ain't got no stereo. Ain't got no amplifier. And they gonna play some fuddy-duddy music too. Oh, that's an OG. That's an old OG, you can tell by the watch. And the car.